trends in manufacturing right here in this region. I'm Jill Horner. This is Comcast Newsmakers. With me is Mark Basla. He is the Chief Marketing Officer for the Delaware Valley Industrial Resource Center. Thanks so much for being with us.
Thank you for having me.
Let's talk about manufacturing in this region. There are some 4,500 manufacturers right here in this area. What's being made right here?
It shocks people, but everything from a donut or a potato chip to a very sophisticated helicopter. Medical devices, engine parts, it's the whole gamut.
And you as an organization work with a variety of different companies and organizations who are manufacturers. These are small and mid-sized U.S. manufacturers right here in our local area. What do you as an organization do to help these companies grow and develop?
Well, we're celebrating our 30th anniversary this year. We were set up to work with the small manufacturers defined as under 500 employees. As you said, there's 4,500 of them. We help them with a variety of consulting solutions, so specifically top-line growth if they need sales, or bottom-line improvement, operational improvements. We also offer training and education programs to upskill their employees. And we also have executive network group memberships where peers of different manufacturers come together every month and they talk about their challenges or opportunities, get advice, and they work together and they figure it out.
So companies are also working together, sharing ideas, innovating together as well. But when we talk about this area and we talk about ideas and innovation, you say this is something that they're working on as well. What are some of the trends that you're seeing in terms of innovation?
A lot of companies are very interested in, well, first of all, there's a real problem just finding workers. So with unemployment at 3.9% and projected to go lower, they can't find people to fill the pipeline. And so I don't know if it's because of that, but a big trend is automation. So can you integrate robotics into your company? Can you integrate digital technologies? A lot of companies are very much interested in that, but they also need people. So
and that's part of the conversation that you are having. You're having a summit on October the 12th where you are highlighting ideas like robotics. This is open to the public. It's happening at the Fuge on October the 12th. It's everyone from students to government to manufacturers to entrepreneurs that will participate in this event.
Absolutely. And this is the 7th annual. It's a lot of fun. It's an eclectic event. It's not a trade show. It's not a conference. We have phenomenal speakers, business leaders that will speak on topics that are of interest to people. We'll have students there, as you mentioned, demonstrations, a lot of freebies from manufacturers that make things, and people can just have a great day.
And all of this happens on October the 12th, and as you mentioned, there will be demonstrations, some hands-on components to this as well, and really the understanding of what is being created right here in our region.
Exactly. So there is going to be a focus on more advanced technologies or Industry 4.0, robotics, a lot of digital technologies. How do they consider, how can they work in a company's organization if you're a small, mid-sized manufacturer? They need that education and that demonstration.
And all of that happens on October 12th at the Fuge. Thanks for being with us.
Sure, thank you.
We've been talking with Mark Basla. I'm Jill Horner.